Now then, on to the last one. Beautiful, beautiful potatoes. Look at them, gorgeous. Throw your way through it. There's another one there. I love it. Oh, lovely worms in there, enjoying themselves. Look at that, another one. So pleased with these. That's a good thing about actually doing them in pots, that you can really get into all of the soil and find them. And the vegetable patch will get a load more compost added on top of it. So these ones, the Charlotte ones, were in this pot, but I only actually had it up to there with compost because I didn't have enough compost to put in it, so it was only filled up to there. So I'm actually really pleased with those. And the small ones were in this tiny pot here. That's these ones, and I think I put about 3 in there. So those are the Bambino. These are the pink Fir Apple, and those are the Charlotte, which are some are massive. So that's it, that's this year's harvest. I'm really pleased with those. They've done really well. To say, I've just ignored them as well, really. I'm really pleased. Look at the pink Fir Apple, I mean, come on, that's brilliant.